What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I am Mr. Make Life Happen, and I hope you guys are having a super blessed day because life is so good. If this is your first time here, this channel is dedicated to personal development, the art of imagination, and spirituality based off the teachings from Neville Goddard. So today we're going to talk about meditation. Meditation. Imagination creates all reality. So we're told that we should meditate. We should take some time to clear our minds. But do you ever find it difficult to actually meditate? If this is you, how often are you trying? Do you try once a week, twice a week, and then say, well, it didn't work for me? So if you go to the gym, or maybe you're starting to go walking, maybe for a couple of weeks, couple of months, and then you start to see some amazing results. You're losing 20, 30 pounds, you feel better, you look better, you're gaining a little bit of muscle. But let's just say you didn't even go, you didn't even start. Maybe you're going once a week, maybe every other week, and you're barely going. You can't say it didn't work because you didn't even try. So the same thing applies for meditating. Once you start doing it persistently, then you're gonna master this art of meditating and you're gonna get some amazing results. So this is an exercise. It's not something that, meditating is not something that you should do once a week. This exercise is something that you should do every single day. You shouldn't meditate whenever something bad happens. Oh, something bad's happening in my life right now. I need to go meditate. No, this is something that you should apply in your life every single day. Neville Goddard teaches us that meditation is controlled imagination and well-sustained attention. So whenever you meditate, what you want to do is you want to hold the idea in your mind or what you do desire. And then when you do this, all the other ideas that you don't want will be removed from your mind. So whenever you meditate and you're trying to commune with yourself and you're doing this, you're going to have some ideas come in your mind. Your mind's going to wander off here. Don't worry about it. That's okay. What you do now is you want to keep placing your attention on what you do want. And you do this over and over and over and over until you become completely obsessed with that idea. So you're going to become fixated with the idea of your specific desire. So your session is going to end whenever you feel that you are the person you wish to be. So your mood has completely changed. Now this is an exercise, so it's not an easy task. But once you do it and you become persistent in it, you're gonna become better and better and better. And then you're gonna realize that, man, I like meditating. So you're actually gonna start looking forward to doing it more often. Your controlled imagination, repeated over and over and over and over, is the beginning of your magical life. So whenever you meditate for a few weeks, maybe a few months, or maybe even way sooner, you're gonna discover in you a center of power. And this power is in everybody. Everybody's born with it. You don't have to be the smartest person in the world. You don't have to be an Albert Einstein. You don't have to be a Nikola Tesla. Everybody's born with this power. But in order for you to discover this power, you're gonna have to meditate persistently. So just like you're so quick to show up to work for somebody else, you should be just as quick to show up with yourself and set an appointment up with yourself to meditate. So we can't expect the outer world to change if we're not even willing to change ourselves first. If you want to know what God is, then you have to become God-like. So meditating, whenever we meditate, we are entering our subconscious mind. This is your entrance to your mind. So think about meditating as an activity of your soul, and then think about your subconscious mind and your soul as the same thing because they are. So in scripture, we are told whenever you pray, enter your closet. So this closet that the Bible is talking about is just your subconscious mind. So we enter this closet by entering a meditative state. So what you do is you want to lay down in bed and you want to take a few deep breaths in and out, in and out. And you want to do this until you become very relaxed. And what happens to your mind is you become open and receptive to the idea of what you do desire. Once you enter this state of relaxation, what you want to do is you want to place in your mind the idea of what you do desire. What is it that you want? And you're going to imagine it over and over and over until your mood has changed. You are now the person that you wish to be. You are it now. And once you accept it and realize this end, then you kind of become possessed with the idea that nothing can stop you from achieving it. Because it's true. Because everything in this world is already perfectly defined. Creation is already finished. Life is good. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to upload videos every single Thursday. Stay tuned for my next video, how to manifest the perfect body. How to manifest the perfect body. If this video resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon, go out there and use your gifts and make life happen. Peace.